Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the printer brother DCP-L3560CDW printer driver download and installation. So open any browser, Google search box to type like that, and after that you will show this is in the result support.brother.com. This is official website, so you have to download only this website from your driver, printer driver, okay? Because of this is official websites, okay? Yeah, so click on it. Different OS also there, the Mac, Linux and mobile, okay. So in the Windows select which is you required. So in the Windows other operating system driver installations process is the same, so you can see this video and you can install it. Windows 10 3264 server also there, so select your operating system, then click to OK. After that you can see this is first, this is easy step, and full software pack. Second also same with the software, printer driver and software pack, okay. And this is a printer driver and scanner for the US, okay. And this is a printer driver, okay. So you can select any, okay. Yeah, click on it, so it will start, but before that you have to click on download. So after that it will start downloading in the download box like that, okay. It is 41.8 MB, almost 42 MB size. When it is completed, then click on this icons to will open this, otherwise it will not open. So go to this locations where it is downloaded, then right click to open it. Now this is extract same location, so it is, if you extract on same locations now, that's mean you are find easily, okay. Then minimize it, click to start, and then go to setting, then click Bluetooth and device, printer and scanner, then click add device. But guys, when you click add device, after it will show manual options within a 5 second, okay. Now you can see add new device manually, click on it. So different way you can install. So this is for the, if already connected to printer and if you need to install, so you can see this is a type of the address. You have to enter the computer double backslash and enter the computer name, then printer name. Otherwise you can find and go to network and you can find it easily. And this is via printer IP and host name, and this is Bluetooth and network discovery printer. And last, this is local printer and manual setting, then click to next, and by default select this primary port number, so then next. After that click to have disk, then browse, then go to download where it is, where you extract on these locations. So might be if you are different, so no worry, you can check out easily. Then open this folder. Now you have to select any .inf, okay, and then click to open, and then okay. So after that it will open the list of your printer, okay. Then you find out DCP-L3560, DCP-L3560CDW series, okay. Then click to next. Now this is your printer installing. Before doing that, first and very important, connect your printer to your desktop and laptop which is you are installing, and connect the printer to your USB cable, okay, to your desktop and laptop, and then follow all the installations process, and then next, finish. So now you can see your printer is installed in, you can see in the your setting in printer options. After now is next is very important, restart your desktop, laptop and your printer also, okay. And then open this, and then click to printer test page. So after that it will come test page, okay. And then yeah, test page, and then it will come test page to, yeah, it's installed. And if you any issues, so please comment me, I will support you, okay. Bye, take care.